Today we're making a white bean salad, otherwise known as a cannellini bean salad. So very simple. I think people sleep on the white bean. Has a lot of flavor. Anything you put with it is gonna give it flavor. And as you can see, we have a lot of color. So it's one thing to have flavor, it's another thing to eat with your eyes and have that awesome flavor. So we're gonna do both today. So I have some simple white beans. They're already cooked, they're rinsed, and they're cool to the touch. This salad could be cold or room temperature. So I have some red onion. I have my bells. I also have some cucumber. And for crunch, I have a little bit of celery. So I want to hit it with some salt and pepper. Now when it comes to salt, when you have a cold product, you're going to use a lot more salt because you really can't taste it. When you have a hot product, you're going to use less. So think about that when you're cooking and you want something to cool off and you're seasoning it when it's hot. So if you want something cool to serve, don't add salt until later. And for moisture, I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Not too much, just enough to where the flavors can be in that oil and pass it to every bite. Now from here, your salad's done. If you want to add some chili flake, pepperoncinis, this salad's pretty universal, but the flavors I'm giving you today just complement the white bean, and as you can see, it's just a whole lot of color. Now from here, we could put this into a whole salad. We can throw in some pasta, some rice. What I have today is some heirloom tomatoes, a little bit of arugula, some burrata, some parmesan, and a little bit of quick pesto. So we're gonna make a little dish right here. So I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of oil, a little salt, pepper, a little bit of these tomatoes. I also want to put a little bit of white balsamic, and I add a little bit to my beans as well for a little bit of acid. Go ahead and give this a mix. Now when it comes to the bed, I have some heirloom tomatoes, want to hit it with salt, also some pepper, and then I can put my salad down first. Now to finish this salad, I want to throw in some burrata right there, just like so. I have some parm, and I also have some pesto. Now as far as flavor, this dish has it all. We have the white bean salad, some heirloom tomatoes, creaminess of the burrata, some sharpness with the arugula, pesto. This is a flavorful dish. Cannellini bean salad with heirloom tomatoes.